Forgotten username recovery failed on Albert Fix. You tried to recover your Albert username, but nothing seems to work. No email, no text, no response. Here's what most people don't realize. Albert doesn't actually use traditional usernames. Your login is tied directly to your email address or phone number. That's why recovery fails. You're trying to reset something that doesn't exist. But don't worry, the fix is simple. Let's go through it step by step. First, search your inbox for any messages from Albert. Look for subjects like "Welcome to Albert" or "Account Confirmation." The email address that received those messages is the one connected to your Albert account. That's what you'll use to log in. Next, open the Albert app or website and select "Forgot Password." Enter that same email or phone number. Albert will send you a link to reset your password. Once you reset it, you can log in right away. If you don't see the recovery message, check your spam or junk folders. It often ends up there. And make sure your app is fully updated, since older versions can block recovery attempts or cause login errors. If you still can't access your account, contact Albert support directly. You can email them at supportalbert.com. Provide your full name, phone number, and any details about your linked bank account or debit card. This helps them verify your identity faster and restore access. One important note: always confirm you're logging in on the official Albert app or website. Scammers sometimes create fake pages that look identical to the real thing and cause login confusion. So, when username recovery fails on Albert, remember it's not a system bug. You just need your registered email or phone number, a quick password reset, and maybe a support confirmation. Once that's done, you'll be back in your Albert account without missing a beat.